up, guys? So today we got lots of things going on. We are going to be putting our new fog lights in that we went and picked up earlier today. So right now let's jump inside and show you those. Alrighty guys, so we're back in the house. Right now we got our fog light right here. We had it painted black by SupremeRetros out of Queen Creek, and let's crack this thing open and show you guys what's in there. Alrighty guys, so let's see what these things look like. So guys, these are the fog lights we decided to go with right here. They are going to be the ones going into the truck. We decided to go with these ones because they are gloss black with the clear lens. That should go pretty good with our bumper. And these ones are LED over the stock halogen ones. So these should be a pretty good upgrade in the nighttime when it is dark out. So let's go ahead, let's pull the truck up and see what it takes to get these things going. Alrighty, so we got the truck pulled into the garage, so now we are going to take a look at what we have to do to get these old fog lights out. So right now it looks like we gotta pull this outer ring right here off before we do anything. So let's go ahead and jump to that, and yeah. Alrighty guys, so once we remove that outer ring, you just pull on the light and it pops it out of these. Pull the wire through right there, and then you're ready to install your new ones. Alrighty guys, so we got the old fog lights both out, but we ran into a little problem. We had to take the adjuster off the old light and put it onto the new light just like that. This is how the lights come to you. Just the screw, you gotta switch them out, but then you should be able to put them in. Alrighty guys, so when we were putting that other side in, we were having a little bit of difficulties, but then we found out that you have to pull out these little tiny tabs right here and then pop these tabs onto the fog light and then put the whole fog light back in. So to pop them out, they have little clips on the back side. You just push each side and then pull them out. Alrighty guys, so we got the little plastic pieces off, so now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put these onto here and put the fog light in. Alrighty guys, so we finished getting these fog lights installed. Our good buddies Logan and Luke both showed up to help us out get these installed, but let's go ahead and check them out. So that's it. We got the fog lights installed, but right now we're going to pull the truck around to the back to wash it. Alrighty guys, so we got the trucks washed up, as you can see. Boom, the fog lights are looking good. But right now we are going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Want to thank my good buddies Logan and Luke for both stepping in and helping me today. But if you liked the video, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Have a nice night.